There is a constant need to switch between asset classes depending on the market scenario, keeping into account valuations and risk. In the short term, markets too are influenced by various factors, and one needs to periodically balance the equity exposure in the portfolio to reduce the impact of volatility. Under most circumstances, investors who are driven by emotions usually do the opposite and miss some of the best days in the market. But how do you decide the entry and exit from the market and make the most of the prevailing market conditions? The answer is simple: Axis Balanced Advantage Fund. A fund that dynamically manages equity exposure, navigates equity market volatility, and aims to capture long-term performance. Axis Balanced Advantage Fund endeavors to offer you the best of both worlds: capital appreciation via equity exposure and generate income by investing in fixed income securities. The fund uses a combination of valuation and market trend to determine equity allocation and proactively increases the equity allocation when the markets are low and vice versa. The equity and debt investment strategy is basis our in-house proprietary process and is dynamically rebalanced basis market valuation and risk. So who should invest in Axis Balanced Advantage Fund? Investors looking for a solution which dynamically adjusts equity exposure. Investors looking to cushion downside while participating decently in market rallies. Suitable for relatively conservative investors who are not looking for pure equity return. Investors who have an investment horizon of 5 years plus. So adapt to market situation to strike a right balance in your portfolio by choosing Axis Balance Advantage Fund. Advantage Balance Ka. To know more, reach out to your nearest mutual fund distributor today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.